Walk into any car dealership in America right now and you'll notice something seriously strange. The lots aren't just full, they're overflowing. Rows and rows of brand new 2026 models just sitting there, shiny, 0 miles, window stickers still fresh, and yet nobody is buying them. This isn't leftover inventory or a supply chain problem. Dealers are sitting on piles of brand new 2026 cars that simply will not sell. According to the latest market day supply data, a healthy dealership inventory is roughly 60 to 75 days. Anything above 100 days means demand is weak. Above 150 days is a big red flag. And some of the cars we're about to discuss are sitting for over 400, even 480 days. That's more than a year of inventory just collecting dust, while dealerships pay thousands in interest on every one of them. Today, we're counting down the 10 new cars dealers can't sell in 2026, starting from number 10 and going all the way to the absolute worst-selling car in America. Number 10, we have the BMW 8 Series, sitting at 207 days of supply with nearly 2,000 units unsold and an average price around $111,000. It's a gorgeous car, luxurious, powerful with twin-turbo inline-6 or optional V8 engines, adaptive suspension and tech-packed interiors. Sounds perfect, right? But depreciation is brutal. Buyers know they can grab a 2 or 3-year-old 8 Series for almost half the price. Insurance is sky high. Maintenance and brakes are expensive. Even wealthy buyers are thinking twice. Stunning on paper, but financially questionable. Number 9 is the Hyundai Santa Cruz at 222 days of supply, over 10,000 units unsold, averaging $36,500. The Santa Cruz was supposed to be the perfect lifestyle truck. Compact, city-friendly, efficient. But the dual-clutch transmission jerks at low speeds. Fuel economy underwhelms. The back seat is tight and cargo space is limited. Meanwhile, the Ford Maverick and Toyota Tacoma offer better practicality, more space, and competitive pricing. Buyers compare, cross-shop, and walk away. Number 8 is the Mini convertible, sitting at 224 days of supply, nearly 2,000 units, averaging $45,000. Mini once meant fun, manual transmissions, go-kart handling, small but thrilling. Now it's a $45,000 tech-heavy convertible with minimal back seats and cargo space. Young buyers can't afford it, older buyers want comfort, and reliability concerns add another red flag. It lost its identity, and sales are reflecting that. Number 7 is the Maserati Grecale at 232 days of supply with an average price over $85,000. Maserati wants to compete with Porsche Macan and BMW X3 M40i. Italian styling and raw, check. Reliability and resale, lacking. High maintenance costs, limited dealer service networks, and steep depreciation scare buyers away. People choose safer, more predictable options. Number 6 is the Buick Envision at 267 days of supply with over 11,000 units unsold and an average price around $41,000. Buick is in an identity crisis. Mainstream or luxury, neither resonates. Young buyers don't see it as aspirational. Older buyers prefer Lexus or Cadillac. Electrical glitches, inconsistent interior quality, and missing features make buyers hesitate. Number 5 is the Audi S3 at 318 days of supply, averaging $58,800. It's fast, refined, reliable, but small. Buyers compare it to Audi S4, BMW M340i, or used AMG CLA 45S, which offer more performance, space, and presence for similar money. At nearly $60,000 for a small sedan, buyers expect more. Number 4 is the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Coupe at 365 days of supply, 778 units unsold, average price $153,000. Stunning performance coupe, but buyers increasingly prefer SUVs and EVs. Two-door coupes at 6 figures appeal to a shrinking niche. Number 3 is the Dodge Charger at 406 days of supply, over 5,700 units unsold, averaging $56,600. Dodge's shift to turbo and electric options split traditional muscle fans. New buyers look at performance EVs instead, and pricing overlaps with higher-end European sedans. Hesitation equals inventory. Number 2 is the Jeep Grand Wagoneer at 463 days of supply, over 4,500 units unsold, averaging $85,000, with many over $100,000. Jeep tried to go luxury, a rugged, fully loaded SUV, but at six figures buyers expect Escalade, Lexus LX, or Range Rover level refinement and reliability. Early reports of thermostat failures, battery issues, complex electronics, and interior trim quality make buyers hesitant. And finally, number 1, the worst-selling car in America right now is the Volkswagen ID.4, sitting at 480 days of supply, nearly 1,500 units unsold, averaging $49,500, over a year and a half of inventory. Buyers report sluggish infotainment, software glitches, confusing menus, and rapid depreciation. Hyundai, Kia, and Tesla dominate the EV market with longer ranges, faster charging, and better tech. Used ID.4 models already sell for tens of thousands less than new, destroying buyer confidence. So there you have it, 10 new cars dealers simply cannot sell in 2026. The common themes are clear: high prices, fierce competition, questionable long-term value, brand confusion, and buyers who are cautious in a high-interest, uncertain economy. When vehicles sit for 200, 300, even nearly 500 days, that tells you one thing: the market has spoken. And right now, for these cars, the verdict is no.